Let's be real. Nobody wakes up and decides to make an extra $10,000 for fun. There's always a reason. For me, it was simple. I was young, broke, and tired of watching others live the life I wanted. The idea of working a regular 9 to 5 for decades just to retire comfortably didn't sit right with me. I wanted financial freedom, and I wanted it now. So I set a big, scary goal: make $10,000 in 6 months. It wasn't just about the money, it was about proving to myself that I could do it. $10,000 felt life-changing. It meant a safety net, a chance to invest, and most importantly, options. A safety net, a chance to invest, and most importantly, options. Having options is real freedom. I didn't want to be stuck in a job I hated just for a paycheck. The 6-month timeline was crucial, long enough to be realistic, short enough to create urgency. Breaking it down, I needed about $60 a day. Suddenly, the big number became a daily target, much less overwhelming. With my goal set and motivation high, I was ready to start. No magic formula, no rich uncle, just a clear target, a tight deadline, and a burning desire to change my situation. A clear target, a tight deadline, and a burning desire to change my situation. I knew it wouldn't be easy, but the reward would be worth it. This is the story of how I turned that desire into a concrete plan. Step by step, I reached my first major financial milestone. If you're tired of being stuck, this is how you start changing your life. Let's dive in. Here's how I did it. Before making a single extra dollar, I had to change my mindset. For years, I thought like a consumer, always focused on spending. To hit my goal, I had to flip the switch and start thinking like an earner. I began asking, what can I sell? What value can I create? Suddenly, I saw opportunities everywhere, problems I could solve for others. This is the earner's mindset. Focus on other people's needs, not just your own. I became resourceful, learning new skills for free online. The more I learned, the more I could earn. I also embraced failure as feedback, not defeat. Every no became a lesson that brought me closer to a yes. Resilience and optimism became non-negotiable. Believe in your goals so strongly that rejection doesn't faze you. With my mindset right, I needed a way to actually make the money. I didn't want another part-time job with a low ceiling. I wanted something scalable. For me, that was real estate, not buying property, but becoming a licensed agent. The barrier to entry was low, and commissions on a single sale could be thousands. Even 1 or 2 deals could hit my goal. I invested a few $100s in licensing and dove into learning everything about the business. But the principle is universal. Find a niche with high-value transactions and low barriers to entry. It could be anything: web design, freelance writing, social media management. Focus on industries where a few sales can add up fast. Once I chose real estate, I immersed myself, talking to agents, attending open houses, and studying the market. I wanted to be more than just licensed. I wanted to be trusted. Becoming an expert in my niche was critical. The more I learned, the more confident I became. Confidence is what attracts clients. Pick your niche strategically and go all in. Getting licensed was easy. Finding clients was the real grind. I had no track record, so I had to outwork everyone. I started with my own network, friends, family, neighbors, letting everyone know I was in real estate. I made it personal. Calls, coffee meetups, and offering free home value analyses. My first client came from a referral, proof that simple conversations work. I hosted open houses for experienced agents, meeting dozens of potential buyers for free. This gave me practice, confidence, and leads. I followed up relentlessly, knowing most wouldn't pan out, but a few did. I also targeted for sale by owner listings, offering to bring buyers by with no pressure. Many FSBOs eventually realized the value of an agent and called me back. The key: provide value upfront, build trust, and stay top of mind. Hustle, persistence, and genuine help opened doors. Every conversation was a potential lead. The grind was real, but it paid off. That's how I landed my first deals. When you're trying to make money, don't spend a lot of it. I ran my business on a shoestring budget. My smartphone was my office. I tracked leads with a simple Google Sheet, not expensive software. For marketing, I used free social media pages and posted valuable content. I designed my own business cards and flyers using free tools. My total marketing budget was under $100. I dressed professionally with thrift store finds. Nobody knew the difference. I drove a used, fuel-efficient car and packed my own lunch. Every dollar saved brought me closer to my goal. Frugal innovation isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. Small savings add up fast. Motivation gets you started, but habits keep you going. I built daily non-negotiable habits, especially my power hour. The first hour of every day was for prospecting calls, follow-ups, outreach. No distractions, just focused action. This built momentum and ensured the most important work got done. I also used time blocking, scheduling every task, including learning and rest. My calendar became my boss. I committed to daily learning, 30 minutes a day on industry knowledge. Podcasts, videos, articles, I soaked up everything. The industry changes fast, staying sharp kept me ahead. These habits turned the grind into growth. Consistency was my secret weapon. Habits made success inevitable. Making $10,000 is as much about what you avoid as what you do. Biggest mistake? Being a secret agent, afraid to put yourself out there. I did the opposite, told everyone, asked for business, and stayed visible. I avoided shiny object syndrome, stuck to a few proven strategies instead of chasing every new idea. Consistency beats novelty every time. I resisted lifestyle inflation, kept expenses low even as income grew. Every commission went straight to my 10K goal account. I didn't go it alone. I found a mentor, learned from their experience, and avoided rookie mistakes. Asking for help accelerated my growth. Most successful people are happy to share their knowledge. Avoiding these pitfalls kept me focused and moving forward. Don't let fear, distraction, or ego get in your way. Stay humble, stay hungry. The first months were slow, lots of work, little to show, but I was planting seeds, building a pipeline. My first commission check came at the end of month 3, about $2,800. It was proof the system worked. Consistency paid off. In month 4, another deal, another $4,000. Suddenly, my goal was in sight. Month 5, a third deal, $3,500. I'd surpassed my goal, over $10,000 in 5 months. The feeling was incredible, not just the money, but the accomplishment. I'd built a business from scratch and created my own income. By month 6, I'd closed another deal, ending with $12,500 total. More important than the money were the habits and confidence I gained. I'd proven I could control my financial destiny. The real prize was the education and empowerment. If I could do it, anyone could. The blueprint works. That's the exact blueprint I used to make my first $10,000 in 6 months. No magic, no shortcuts, just a mindset shift, a strategic niche, hard work, and disciplined habits. This blueprint works for almost any side hustle. Let's recap. Shift your mindset. Pick a high-value niche. Grind relentlessly. Keep costs low. Build daily habits, and avoid common mistakes. It's simple, but not easy. It takes real work. You don't need special advantages, just a clear goal and the will to execute. Your journey starts with a decision to take control, to challenge yourself, to build a better future. Write down your goal, break it into daily actions, and start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Achieving a goal like this builds confidence that spills into every area of your life. You'll realize you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Take this blueprint, adapt it, and make it happen. The only thing standing between you and your first $10,000 is a plan and the discipline to follow it. The plan is right here. The discipline has to come from you. Now go get to work. Your future self will thank you. You've got this.